Okay, so look at number one. First of all, is that gonna be open or closed, Doc? Number one,
Closed.
it's gonna be closed. Okay, so if it has a line underneath of it, it's gonna be closed, the other ones are gonna be open. Okay, so if we look at number one, what needs done first? Hello? Let's go, wake up, what needs done first?
Add the 18 to the 0.
Add 18 to 0 on both sides, so we're gonna say plus 18 plus 18. Okay, and so what is 0 plus 18?
18.
18. Okay, is that gonna be open or closed?
Closed.
Closed. Okay, so on the 18 is gonna be closed, going which way?
I'm not sure.
Okay, which way is it? What's the alligator eating, the letter or the number?
Letter.
He's eating the letter, so he's still hungry, okay, so he's going this way. Okay, number 3, what needs done? Number 3. What needs done on both sides?
Multiply 6.
Times 6. Times 6. Do we need to flip?
No.
No. Okay, we times by negative or positive 6, so we don't need to flip. On the negative 30, is that going to be open or closed?
Closed.
It's going to be closed. On the negative 30, it's going to be closed. Okay, who is the alligator eating?
3,
8. He's eating the number. Okay, so we're going to go, that means he's still hungry. We're going less than, or he's not hungry. Okay, so we're going less than. So to the left. Okay, number 5. What needs done first?
minus 45.
No.
Oh no, multiply.
Multiply. Okay, so we always do the same steps. We check for if there's parentheses, we have to do those first. And then we combine, and then we move. Okay, so there is parentheses, so we gotta do those first. So 5 times n, it's gonna be 5n. 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, who's the kid? Who's the kid here? The 45, so we're gonna say minus 45 from both sides. So I'm gonna get 5n, and that's gonna be negative 60. Okay, and then what needs done?
Divide.
We're gonna divide by 5 on both sides. Do we need to flip?
No.
No. Okay, and so that's gonna be maybe 12? Negative 12? Is that right? I don't know. Somebody do the math.
Yeah.
Is it negative 12? Okay, open or closed?
Closed.
Closed. Okay, who is the alligator eating? The letter or the number? The letter. Okay, so he's still hungry, so we're going bigger. Okay, 7. What needs done first? Are there parentheses? No. Is there anything to combine? No. Okay, so what needs done first? Look at 7. Who's the kid? The 9. So we're going to say times 9 on both sides. Times 9. So I'm going to get 6 plus x, and that's going to give me 18. Okay, and then what? Move the 6, so we're going to say minus 6, minus 6. So I'm going to get x, and that's going to give me a 12. On the 12, is that gonna be open or closed?
Close, open.
Closed.
Oh,
Okay, who is the alligator eating?
12.
He's eating the number, so that's gonna be bigger or smaller? Smaller. Okay, number 9, are there parentheses? No. Okay, so our next step is to see, can we combine anything? Can anything get combined? Yeah, the 8p and the 8p, so -8 minus 8 is gonna be a -16. So we get -16p. Okay, so we've combined and now we just solved. Okay, so now what needs done? What needs done now? Divide by -16. Divide by -16. Do we need to flip?
Yeah.
Yes, we do. Okay, so we're gonna flip and say -1. Okay, on the -1, it's gonna be closed. It says P is less than, so we're gonna go less than to the left. Okay, 11, what needs done first? Are there parentheses?
Wait, hold on, what's the answer for number 9?
Why would we do that?
But doesn't give me an answer.
This one.
There's no parentheses, so we can go ahead and combine. -4 plus 8 is gonna be a positive 4x and a 0. Okay, and then I gotta divide by 4. Okay, on the 0 is gonna be closed. And it says X is bigger than. The alligator's eating the X, so he's still hungry. We got 4 left. Number 13, are there parentheses? Yeah, so we gotta do those first. So it's gonna look like -5 times 3, so you're gonna get -15p. So minus 15p. And then -5 times a -2 is gonna be positive 10. Okay, so we're gonna get -15p plus 10 is -110. Okay, and the 10 is our kid, so we're gonna go ahead and say -10 on both sides. -10. So I'm gonna get -15p, give me -120. And then I'm gonna divide by -15. Because we're dividing by a -15, okay, we need to flip our sign. And what is -120 divided by -15?
8,
Is it 8?
yeah.
Okay, so that's gonna be closed. P is less than, so we're going to the left. Okay, 15, are there parentheses?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we gotta do those first. So 8 times m is 8m. 8 times -5 is gonna be -40. Who needs moved first?
The 40.
The 40 needs to move first, so we're gonna say plus 40 on both sides. So I'm gonna get 8m. What is -96 plus 40?
Negative 56.
-56. Then who needs moved?
The 8.
8, so we're gonna say divide by 8. Do we need to flip?
No.
No. Okay, on the 7 it's gonna be closed
To the right.
and to the right. I be having to think real hard on what to write sometimes. Okay, 17, are there parentheses?
No.
No. Okay, so there's no parentheses, so then our next step is to combine. Who can get combined? How many pieces are on the left?
2.
3. 7, a 1, and a 7. Okay, so there's 3 on the left. How many are on the right?
1.
2. No, what are you looking at, bro?
Oh, 3.
Okay, so if we were to split this into a left and a right side, 2 of the things can get combined on the left. What are they?
7v, and -7.
Yeah, so 7 minus 7 is going to be 0v plus 1. Then I'm going to get a 3 minus 1v. Okay, from here we're going to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So who needs moved?
1 and negative
The 1 needs moved. And who's he going to go under?
3.
Under the 3. Who else needs moved?
1v.
The 1v. Okay, so 0 plus 1,
1.
1v. And then 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. Okay, and then we're going to say divided by 1. Divided by 1. Okay, on the 2, should that be open or closed? Closed. Going which way? To the left. Okay, last one, 19, sorry. Is there parentheses? No. Okay, so then our next step is gonna be to combine. Okay, and there's no one to combine, so we're gonna move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So who can get moved?
Positive 7.
The 7's gonna get moved, and who's he gonna go under?
Negative 1.
Under the -1. Who else can get moved?
3.
The 3's gonna get moved, and he's gonna go under the 1b. Okay, so we're gonna get 4b and a -8. Okay, and then I'm gonna divide by 4. So it's gonna give me a -2. On the -2, is it gonna be open or closed?
Close.
Closed.
To the right.
Going to the b is greater than 2, so going this way, to the right. Okay, you guys have 10 to do on your own. Go through and get your 10 done. When you're done with that, you're done for the day. If you did not do your grade check on Friday, make sure you get that done.